outlets off of this. Nope, looks like I have to find another route. Yeah, that was a bad storm, so that's an oak. Snapped it right off. Snapped off that big one. Fell down. And then broke off that one over there too. That's it. Yeah, so that one, there's just another big piece laying in the ground. Look at all that firewood. All right. Bring it on. Take them down. Cut them down for me. Okay. All right, power's out, so we gotta manually open the door. Let's see. I don't have any gas. That's the problem. It's got 3/4 of a tank already. Okay, let's take it down. Let's look up before it starts raining again. It's another storm coming.
It's raining. Oh my gosh, that tree! Yeah. I didn't see it coming close. Rain. Remy, wait, where's Remy?
She just went up here, don't worry.
Remy, we're gonna let you in this door, okay?
First?
What does it power, Dad? Does it power lights and outlets?
It's gonna power the well and some lights for us. There. Bring it out away from the house and turn the fuel on, choke it, turn it on. All right.
Should I have locked it?
No, I'll leave it open. So first thing I want to do is turn on just some lights down here. So first I gotta move my, so I have all the panel breakers off. So I'm gonna turn the generator breaker on. So now that's feeding back to the panel. Main is off. Let's turn on the kitchen lights. So if something does go wrong, it'll, I heard the generator bog a little. Let's go look. All right, so these lights work. We got the Roomba on, that's important. Vacuum, in case we need vacuum cleaning something. Okay, so it seems to be, powering everything okay. So let's try the well pump now. Okay, we have water. Okay, we should have kitchen lights. Okay, so cool. We got the well on. We've got our master bedroom on. We have some of the plugs and lights. I wish I could figure out which breaker the lights down here are.
Definitely need outlets.
Kitchen outlets, that's 23. That might be the microwave. 9 is the foyer. Yeah, we gotta have that. 30 is the garage door opener. I mean, that would be cool. And then we'll put on the sub panel for Kayla's room. Let's turn on some of these lighting. So what do you guys think? Power outage, But we have lights.
But we have lights.
Refrigerator works. Microwave works. I haven't run this on the generator though. I don't know how many watts this is. Probably 1,500 watts probably. So let's see. I want to check our fish tank's on.
Is it?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna go check our baby chicks, make sure they have a light. And I'm gonna go check the freezer in the garage.
I don't know which baby chick is new, but we have 10.
There's 10.
There's 10. I can't believe
They're all healthy.
The
Let's
two
go.
crusty ones are the new ones.
We'll go check on them real quick. Oh, they got their light on, so this is very important. There's one sitting on top of her. Oh, they look like they're doing okay. Oh, they're automatic water. She's still sitting on those last couple eggs. All right, we gotta run and get some gas. I don't have any, which is shame on me. I don't have a lot of fuel stored up here, so we'll go get some gas, but I think I'm gonna take chainsaw with me because when I try to get home, well, there's a tree across the road. I couldn't get through, so see if we can clear that out of the way unless someone else already has. We'll see. Well, this was the impassable spot here earlier. So it's one of the things that you learn quickly out here is that people, you know, the neighbors, the guys out here, just get out on the road and clear trees, you know, as soon as these kinds of storms come through. This one's probably one of the worst I've seen. Probably, I don't know if I would say ever, but maybe pretty close. It was so windy, and there was just so much debris all over the roads and so many trees down everywhere. So actually, I got gas for the generator. Everything's good to go. It's running at home, power and everything. Everything's good. And so I'm gonna head over to a friend's house. A tree fell on his camper, and so I'm gonna go over there and help him clear it off and cut the tree away so they can assess the damage, figure out what's going on with it. That's no fun. All right, we got most of it cut off the roof. Now we're gonna try to pull it out of there and get it out of the way. Well, it's been an interesting 24 hours for sure. I was able to we got the tree pulled off that camper. I wasn't able to show any more video of it because I had to get on the roof of it while he pulled it out from underneath the tree. So I had to lift up the branches while I was standing on the roof of the camper in order to get it out. And so I couldn't videotape and do that at the same time. So camper's out and it seems to be in pretty good shape. So he's all set. We have a few trees down here that I'll definitely have to clear out, but hey, you always use more firewood, right? Our generator has been working great. We have the 7500E Generac generator. I have done a review on that in the past, many years ago, probably like 8 years ago, one of the first videos I ever did. And we've had mixed luck with it at the beginning, but it has been working really well for this. We have it tied in, backfed through a generator inlet box, and then that generator or the circuit breaker interlock kit, generator interlock kit. And I did that in a previous video. That has been working great. We've powered our whole house, so we have lights wherever we need them. We have the well pump. We have obviously we can flush toilets and all that kind of stuff. We can run our microwave, toaster, refrigerator, freezers. All the important things are running, and that generator seems to have no issue powering all those things. No air conditioning. That's a bummer, but at least we have the essentials, and we've got some fans, and so we'll survive. We'll be okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed quick. Disaster happens around here quickly, and now we're digging into our problem in the basement. So stick around for that. It's a lot of fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Lots of storm damage around here. It's crazy, but we'll make it. So don't forget to hit thumbs up on today's video, and as always guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.